let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. I'm Memaw, and look who I have with me. One of my taste testers. This is little Peyton. She'll be turning 10 in August. And we're going to bake a cake today. A cake that's easy enough for a 10-year-old, maybe a 9-year-old to make. I'm going to be using a box cake, and Peyton's going to do the baking. So join us as we bake one of the easiest, most refreshing cakes, because it's a strawberry cake, that you will ever eat. Okay, let's get to cooking. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for our easy strawberry cake. I'll post these ingredients as we use them and down in the description box. Okay, so Peyton is going to start by putting her dry ingredients into a bowl.
Oh, I got some in my hand. Now I'm opening the strawberry jello. Tablespoons of flour.
Okay. So Peyton is going to move her dry ingredients to the side and get ready to put her wet ingredients in the bowl. We already have 3/4 cup of frozen strawberries. We mashed slightly. And she's going to add 1/2 cup of water and 1 cup of oil. Now she's going to mix those. Now it's time to combine the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Slide this over here. All right. So now she's going to mix it at a medium speed.
Oh.
There you go. Speed it up just a little bit. There you go. Looks like you got a pocket. There you go, over that way. Okay, you're all done. Time for her to add the eggs one at a time. We have 4 eggs. It's good to have a Memaw sous chef. Y'all know cracking eggs is Peyton's most favorite part of this whole thing. Okay, let's add them one at a time. Let me help you. Mix it, please. Okay. Once that egg disappears, we can add another one. Good. you.
This is the last one?
Nope, you got two more. Okay. Okay, egg is gone. Last one. Okay, thank you. Alrighty, good job.
I'm recording.
Oh, yes.
It baked for 25 minutes and we're gonna let it cool.
While the cake is cooling, we'll go ahead and make our icing.
That's a lot of sugar.
Yep.
Are we gonna use these strawberries in the refrigerator for the topping?
Yep.
Oh, that smells really good. Would it be considered a strawberry shortcake? Oh. Oh, whoa.
Okay, you can stop now. Hold on.
Okay. Oh, whoa. That looks cool.
Yeah, just make a mess.
No, you missed a little spot right there. Yeah, over on that side. There you go.
Did I get it?
Yep. But I think it'll cover up when you smooth out the top.
Yes.
What's that?
Okay, y'all, so the cake is done. Peyton did her thing, and the cake came out wonderfully. Like she told you, was only in the oven for 25 minutes or so. Because the cake was so easy to make that a 9-year-old could do it, you can then take your time and decorate the cake to make it fabulous. So I did take my time. I made a cream cheese frosting with cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and the leftover frozen strawberries. And cut up some fresh strawberries, put it on there, and we have a beautiful dessert. So let's cut the cake and see what my taste testers say. Okay, here are my taste testers. Peyton, what are you doing? Here's your fork, Ari. All right, give it a taste.
Oh, it's moist.
Is it?
Mm.
Is it good?
It's
Yes.
really good. Whole bunch of strawberry flavoring. Strawberry
love this.
explosion in your mouth. It's
This
really
is
good.
moist.
We like moist cakes around here. So there you have it, folks. My taste tester said it's a, what, thumbs up?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, okay.
1,000.
We have to let Peyton make this cake again and again. Hey, y'all, so you know I gotta taste me some too. Hold on a minute, let me get a fork of their cake. Peyton did that, okay. Cake, box cake mix. That's what you can do with that box cake mix to make it a homemade cake. Do that. It's delicious. Jello, cake mix, a little flour. The recipe is in the description box below. Y'all be blessed. Bye. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all be blessed. Bye.